Oh yeah, a couple days out before I actually go riding with my uncle, and in flip-flops but a long sleeve. It's actually kind of nipply out here. Getting the old beast ready. I got a bunch of tools, got a bunch of these storage bags, and the fire extinguisher's ready. But anyways, I got a bunch of these storage bags, storage containers. I don't have all of my tools in, but I used to carry this bag in my razor. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna kill out or push out, beast out, whatever you want to call it, the next couple days of work, and we'll get into the trails. I'll see you Friday night. All right, got loaded up, or well, starting to load up still for the Canam, and we're going riding tomorrow. But hey, about ready to stream. You guys already know my setup. There it is, and I'll see you guys there. There it is, just like that. All right, good morning, everybody. We went from Wednesday to today, Saturday morning. It's beautiful, 54 degrees out here right now. And yeah, let's get to it. I'll see you out there in the desert when it gets when it gets a little lighter out. Let's go, baby. Except I need gas. Gotta go get gas. Let's go. It's a blast out here. We're headed to Waterfall, so that's gonna be fun. Go get some rock crawling going on, and yeah, see some other people go up it and down it. It's gonna be fun. See you guys there. Oh, I miss this. I miss this a lot. A little tipsy sideways there. There we go. I should have brought some scratch off tickets so we could scratch while we're doing this. But this is fun. Definitely well needed. Definitely well needed. Sheesh! I definitely need to get a GoPro. Definitely. But this is awesome. Look at this. Crazy. And it's so fun. I miss this. It's been over almost a year since I've been able to go out. Awesome. Let's get some waterfall, shall we? Woo! And here we go. Yeah, there's a train out here. People are coming. was in our way. That's hilarious. Thanks, Failer. Oh, yeah, we're headed back. Just trying to find a new trail back to the camp. So it's different. We've never done this before. So excited to see where it goes. Time to head back to the camp. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Done with the first ride of the year. I'm super excited. Unfortunately, my truck's got a coolant leak in one of the hoses, so got to get home. Hopefully it doesn't overheat, and get that attended and fixed, and get it back on the road, ready to go. So super excited. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like rating down below. Let me know if you want to see more of these in the future, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Take care. Oh, the unloading is the worst part. I'm so beat. Hoping that coolant leak isn't too bad. I'm gonna go check it out once I unload this trailer, but I know I already ended the video, but ending it now. Who's to say? I just beat. I'm tired. Don't even feel like unloading this beast, but gotta do it.